Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do some arm exercises with your magic circle. So these exercises are very familiar to some exercises you could do standing at your Cadillac. They're not going to be as intense, but they're definitely pretty darn effective, and you can do them anywhere. You just need yourself in a magic circle. So you'll stand heels together, toes apart. Be sure you're not locking your knees out, and you'll place the circle on one hip, or where, like some people it's above, some people below. It depends on your arm length. You want to make sure your elbow's not turning in. You have that soft elbow, and you're just gonna hug. And sometimes I'll put my arm here so I can feel my wing turn on, right? So I do about 5 to 10 on one side, and then 5 to 10 on the other side. And when I have a weak side, which we all do, it's totally fine, then I'll do the weak side again. So weak, strong, weak. The next one you can do is actually putting it on your shoulder, and it's more of like a bicep curl that way. So I don't think of it like, oh, I'm trying to break the circle, because I'm still trying to use my center to stand tall and use my muscles in my body to stand in my muscles as opposed to my joints, right? But again, 5 to 10 here, because we're supposed to do all of this so that we stand better, right? And so I really like to do this one because it really does help you learn how to organize your arms on your back and then press. And again, I'm not trying to push it down because I'm still using my upper back muscles to hold everything in place. If I muscle it, then my shoulder is going to go in my ear. So the next thing you can do is you actually can do it into your head, kind of like the neck stretcher would be. And so this one is not a bicep one, even though it looks like it could be. As I push into the circle, my head's pushing back, and that actually activates your neck muscles in a way that helps you strengthen them, which so many of us need, because we sit at a computer and we sit on our phone and we slouch, right? So do both sides and notice which side is stronger or weaker. You can even do it to the front, which is super funny, like this. And then both arms are pushing. And then my favorite is this one. It actually is really cool. I'm not just pushing down my chin because the circle will pop out. As I push down, there's an element of like rounding forward. Push. And it looks really small. You can't even see it from the side. As I push down, I'm kind of curling my head and chest off an imaginary mat. So it's not chin to chest, it's head and chest up, so that it's really in the center. Cool, right? Last thing, I did this in the double leg kick video. It's the same thing. You're going to put the circle behind your back, but now you're standing, and you're going to hold the circle here, and you're going to pulse like 10 times. And notice how my elbows are not bending. The circle is probably not even moving. But what it does is it really helps activate all these upper back muscles. So I do 3 sets of those, usually 10, because we all could use a little bit more extra strength in our upper back to not scrunch our shoulder blades together, but rather squeeze the back of our armpits, right? Super, super great. So anyways, tons of fun things you can do with your magic circle standing that not just work your arms, but work your whole arm back connection. And I hope you enjoy those. Let me know how they feel in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you get more videos from me. And remember, I take requests in the comments or in the community here on YouTube. So thank you.